The Yoloha Unity? The Liforme Original or Retrospec Solana? Perhaps the Manduka PRO or the Yogi Paws? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 yoga mats available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best yoga mats. The 5th product on this list is the Retrospec Solana. Ready to embark on your fitness journey and find your inner balance on a yoga mat? Look no further. Discover the ultimate stretch and support with this exceptional yoga mat. Designed for both men and women, it boasts a luxurious 1-inch thick cushion that provides unparalleled comfort and stability. Whether you're practicing yoga, Pilates, or engaging in any floor workout, this mat is your perfect companion. Be it at home, in the gym, or wherever you choose to sweat it out. Say goodbye to slipping and sliding during your routines. The included nylon strap keeps your mat securely in place, allowing you to seamlessly transition from one exercise to another without any annoying shifts or distractions. And here's a bonus. This mat is polyvinyl chloride free, so you can simply toss it in your washing machine for a hassle-free clean. Love that grounding connection with your earth beneath your feet? This yoga mat is tailor-made for you. Its smooth closed-cell surface not only offers water resistance, but also delivers unparalleled comfort, making each practice a delightful experience. Crafted with the highest quality materials, this mat provides a soft and cushioned foundation, while emitting no unwanted rubber smell or leaving any sticky residue on your clothes. Cleaning is a breeze. Safety is paramount during your workouts, and that's where the non-slip grip of this yoga mat truly shines. It provides the stability you need to perform standing exercises with confidence, reducing the risk of slips and falls. With the support of this mat, your body will be fully embraced during stretches, enhancing your posture and maximizing your potential. We all deserve an exercise mat that ticks all the boxes: comfort, durability, and style. So why wait? Grab your own yoga mat and elevate your yoga or Pilates sessions to new heights, right in the comfort of your own home. Embrace the journey, unleash your potential, and find your zen on this remarkable yoga mat. Let's get started. Its pros are: its non-slip bottom provides stability. It's firm enough to support your entire body regardless of fitness level, weight, or height. And it comes in a convenient strap that makes it easy to carry and store. However, its foam takes time to recover from pressure. The Retrospec Solana is great for beginners and people who often go to classes. With this mat, you can practice poses both in and out of the studio with confidence. Up next in 4th place is the Yogi Paws. If you're a yoga enthusiast, get ready to meet your new favorite mat. This is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to elevate their yoga practice. Prepare to be amazed. This eco-friendly mat not only provides an unbeatable non-slip grip, but also boasts a comfortable thickness of 1/8 inch, giving you ample space to flow through your poses. Say goodbye to rubber mats that compromise your health and the environment. This mat is crafted with natural rubber, ensuring a safe and toxin-free practice. We've all experienced it before, the frustration of a slippery floor. But fear not. Our mat's unique design offers exceptional grip precisely where you need it. No more sliding hands or unstable transitions between poses. And with its plush thickness and incredible durability, this mat provides optimal cushioning and support, making every downward dog and yoga position a joy to experience. Say goodbye to shorter mats and revel in the generous length of this mat. Whether it's yoga, Pilates, meditation, or stretching, our mat will keep you firmly grounded on any floor surface. But that's not all. This mat also promotes healthy alignment and protects you from extreme temperatures and moisture. The surface feels like you're barefoot on your own floor, providing a seamless connection to the ground. Get ready to unleash your practice and focus solely on your movements, free from the worry of slipping or discomfort. Elevate your yoga journey and experience the true essence of connection with our extraordinary mat. Get yours today and embark on a whole new level of yoga mastery. Namaste. Its pros are: it is made from eco-friendly and sustainable materials. It has a seamless design that prevents the retention of sweat or moisture when you roll it up after use. And its natural rubber construction is comfortable and easy to balance on. However, it weighs 5.5 pounds, making it fairly heavy to carry around. The Yogi Paws are a must-have for anyone who wants to ensure their safety and security while stretching further than ever before. You can use it for exercise, fitness, or yoga anywhere at home, studio, or gym. Still haven't found a yoga mat that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Manduka PRO. Take our yoga practice to new heights with this premium mat and immerse yourself in unrivaled quality and comfort. Experience the ultimate support with its solid thickness of 1/4 inch. Meticulously crafted in Germany, this mat is designed to elevate your poses and cater to your deepest stretches and strengthening practices. Its ergonomic design features a non-slip rubber base, providing unwavering stability during your sessions and creating a secure environment for intense stretching and strength training. But that's not all. This mat incorporates cutting-edge closed-cell technology that swiftly wicks away sweat, ensuring fast drying and easy disinfection. No matter how frequently you wash it, you'll always enjoy a fresh and hygienic surface. Say goodbye to joint discomfort as this mat offers optimum cushioning to safeguard your joints during even the most demanding poses. Whether you're an experienced practitioner or a beginner seeking professional quality, this mat is the perfect choice. Plus, its completely odorless and non-slip surface has made it a beloved favorite among yogis worldwide. Designed specifically for hot yoga, this mat excels in sweat absorption, preventing any unwanted slips during vigorous practices. Its durability is unmatched, as it will never compress or develop soft spots over time, like inferior mats on the market. The extra wide and extra long design provides unparalleled cushioning, stability, and profound support for every posture. It's not just a mat, it's a secret space where you can fully immerse yourself in your yoga journey. Elevate your practice and indulge in the luxurious embrace of this exceptional mat today. Its pros are: it's ultra-dense cushioning that protects joints from stress-induced pain as you practice. It has closed-cell construction that prevents moisture, sweat, and dirt from absorbing into the mat. And its padding offers a firm base for movements that require the utmost balance, making it a great option for most inversion work. However, it is fairly bulky to carry around. The Manduka PRO is the ultimate mat for your home, studio, and travel. Its joyously supportive cushioning provides superior support, stability, and joint protection. The second product on this list is the Yoloha Unity. Are you in search of a mat that not only nurtures your well-being but also cares for the environment? Look no further. This is the perfect mat for you. With its natural material, it provides an optimal grip, ensuring it stays in place throughout your practice without slipping or sliding. The 1/4 inch thickness creates a supportive surface that is both comfortable and long-lasting. Its thick cork core delivers exceptional support for any type of practice and a responsive feel that caters to the most flexible yogis. Embrace the practicality and eco-friendliness of this earth-friendly surface. But wait, there's more. Experience the ideal level of stickiness that keeps your poses grounded during class, while reveling in the luxurious cushioning that makes hours of standing practice a breeze. This mat is naturally antimicrobial, moisture-wicking, and anti-slip with added antiviral properties. Its squishy yet supportive surface is perfect for all types of practice. Each mat is machine washable, ensuring remarkable durability and effortless maintenance. It boasts a top-quality material made from 100% natural cork, free from latex, polyvinyl chloride, or harsh chemicals. The non-slip backing and reversible bottom layer allow you to enjoy this mat with an extra soft cushion on any surface and in any conditions. This eco-friendly cork mat is an ideal companion for achieving balance, stability, and comfort during your yoga sessions. Its outstanding grip empowers you to delve deeper into your stretches. Whether you're a beginner or ready to embark on the practice of a lifetime, we have the perfect mat for you. Upgrade your practice sessions with this exceptional mat and embrace the harmony it brings to your yoga journey. Its pros are: its thick and firm top layer offers stability, while the soft bottom layer provides cushion for your joints. It is made of cork wood and a natural rubber blend, which means no toxic chemicals, making it safe for you and even safer for the environment. And it has an antimicrobial surface that makes cleaning easy. However, it tends to retain a little more moisture than others on this list. The Yoloha Unity is a well-designed unit and easily one of the highest performing and longest-lasting yoga mats available. It's recommended for anyone looking to balance comfort, support, and sustainability. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top yoga mat is the Liforme Original Yoga Mat. Are you committed to living a healthy and sustainable lifestyle? If your answer is a resounding yes, Then look no further. This extraordinary yoga mat is crafted from high-quality materials that can be composted, ensuring you make an eco-friendly choice without compromising on performance. Get ready to experience the pinnacle of excellence with a mat that boasts unparalleled grip even when wet. With a thickness of 0.17 inches, it provides just the right amount of cushioning during your asanas without completely disconnecting you from the ground. Prepare to be amazed by its patented alignment system, signature grip, and sweat-resistant surface that effortlessly guides you towards perfect alignment and sublime comfort. Say goodbye to distractions and embrace a blissful yoga class where you can fully relax and let go. What's more, with this unit, you can bid farewell to slippery surfaces and welcome a revolutionary grip with open arms. This mat combines the best of both worlds. The unique blend of polypropylene and natural rubber offers an unrivaled grip for twisting poses and balancing techniques, be they static or dynamic. It's thoughtfully constructed from eco-friendly materials, and as an added bonus, there's even a complimentary carrying bag included in a latex-free comfort grip that empowers you to confidently hold poses, even in hot classes. Now you can perform each pose with precision and ease, mitigating the risk of injury and overstretching. With this mat, you can transform your home into your very own yoga sanctuary. Rediscover the joy of your practice with this alignment system, which sets this mat apart as the most innovative and comfortable choice for optimizing your home exercises. Not only does it deliver unmatched functionality, but it also exudes an unmistakable style that resonates with your personal flair. Allow this mat to be your trusted companion as you flow through your asanas, effortlessly immersing yourself in the beauty of movement and meditation. Get ready to embark on a journey of transformation and transcendence. Choose this exceptional yoga mat and unlock the limitless possibilities that lie within your practice. The best yoga mat on the market today is yours for the taking. Embrace the extraordinary and ignite your yoga journey like never before. Its pros are: it is 5 inches longer and wider than most mats, giving you more space to perfect your movements. It has a closed cell surface that is resistant to dirt and sweat while being effortless to wipe clean. It's made from a combination of a natural rubber bottom and an eco-friendly polyurethane on the top. And it has a long-lasting build that is extra grippy underneath to prevent any sliding. However, it may not be thick enough for people with sensitive joints. The Liforme Original Yoga Mat is a brilliantly designed mat for advanced yoga practitioners to help them achieve the best possible posture and stability during every yoga session. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.